finally found some water. Had a drink. Filled up my canteen. And then I started feeling real sick. Oh. I think I got dysentery or worms. Maybe both. Oh God. Oh no. Carl couldn't stand the stench, so he just left me here. Bastard won't last 2 days in the wilderness without me. Oh God. Oh God. You go big one. I feel the tapeworm. It's wriggling out. It's wriggling out. Oh, I never learned to properly cry. Oh God. Oh, who's that? There's a squirrel. The squirrel just came out of my ass. How did a squirrel survive in my ass? Beefy. I'm Gecko Genoa, Nature Man, and I hope you enjoyed following our journeys through Australia. It's Australia, right, Carl?
Sure, we'll call it Australia.
All right, Australia. Well, anyway, if you enjoyed it and you'd like to see more Nature Man, go ahead and comment below with some ideas about where you think we should go next. Might use them, might not. Who knows? It might suck. Anyway, go ahead, make some suggestions, like, subscribe, watch the videos. Those videos, them's right there. Them's videos right there. And I'm Gecko Genoa.